Welcome to Royal Recorders, White Knights in Training. I have some playing exercises for you, and before we do those playing exercises, let's review. Your left hand thumb is covering the hole in the back, index, middle, and ring fingers on the front. Thumb rest is resting on your thumb. It's not like this, and it's not on the top of it. It's actually resting on it. So think about it coming in for a landing, and then it's there. And then these fingers help support for now. Eventually they will be playing these notes down here. So I am going to play some sounds for you using G, A, and B. Before we do that, let's do some finger push-ups. So we're going to do G, A, G, A, G, A, G, A. Just do that about 10 times. Make all these little muscles in here get really nice and strong. G, A, G, A, G, A, G, A. And then let's start with A and do between A and B. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Do about 10 of those. And what's your thumb doing all the time? It's staying there on the back, right? So I will play a little bit and probably about 8 beats worth, and then I would like you to be my echo and play what I play for you. 1, 2, listen first. Your turn. G, G, A, G, G. My turn. 1, 2, starting on a G. Your turn. G, A, B, B, B. My turn. Your turn. B, A, B, A, my turn. B, A, G, G, G. Your turn. G, A, B, A, G. Last thing I want to tell you is to remind you, if you were not tonguing, that you should go back and listen to this video again and try to do all the things you just played by going do, 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 do at the beginning of each sound that you make, and not just going ha, 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 ha. It's okay at the beginning because you're not going very fast. I just went but eventually you're going to be doing things like this. And that was ta, 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 or do, 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 do. Just try that. 1, 2, starting on a G. Ta, do, 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 do. A. Do, 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 do. B. Do, 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 do. So if you're going you're going to hyperventilate, and you're going to sound like you're a dog that's been out for a long, long run, and you don't want to do any of those things. You want to be able to do those exercises. Good luck.